Home Ownership 101. Up next, we're going to talk about some of the things you need to do to maintain your house. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the wet areas in your home. So things like your shower, your bathroom countertops, your kitchen countertops, and the little piece of grout that connects, say, the bottom of your shower to the tile or the kitchen countertop to the backsplash. Grout helps block water from getting into those pieces behind the tile, and that's super important. You don't want water getting back there. You won't see it get back there, and mold will start to grow, and that can cause a whole lot of issues. So be sure to just go grab some waterproof grout and re-grout the areas that have little holes or gaps in them. And you probably want to do this every 1 to 2 years. Just keep an eye on those areas and make sure you re-grout them as needed. Changing out your air filters is an important part of maintaining your house. So this is what an air filter will look like. There's different styles, and you can buy them at places like Home Depot or order them online, but you want to change them at least every 2 to 3 months. Now, we have dust here and we have new builds going in all around, so we change ours more often, every month. We also have a very hairy pet. So you want to work out where this goes into your furnace and AC system, and usually it just slides in or places in like this, and you want to make sure you switch those out regularly. This is called a sump pump, and this one comes with a sucker ball, as you can see. The sump pump is very important if you have one in your house. It wicks away, pulls away any of the moisture that could be running down near your foundation. So you want to make sure the sump pump is working, and you want to check it regularly to make sure it's working. We had a neighbor that didn't know theirs stopped working and their basement ended up flooding. So be sure to make sure your sump pump is running effectively. Sometimes you will get cracks on the outside of your home, so on the siding. We have cement fiber siding here, but there's all different kinds of siding. But if you get a crack, you want to make sure that you fill it, because you don't want the moisture getting behind your siding and wrecking the inside of your house. So you can see here that this is just some grout and putty, and the crack has been filled just to make sure no moisture can get in. Another thing to make sure you do when maintaining your house is to maintain the outside of your house. As you can see, you can't control the outside or the weather, but you want to make sure things like your gutters are clean from leaves. If you have branches that hang over the roof of your house, you want to make sure those are trimmed back, and you want to make sure that there's no holes or damage to your roof tiles. So getting up there at least once a year to check all that stuff out and clean it out is a good idea. Hope those tips help you today. If you're looking for more tips on maintaining your home, then get in contact with me or check out my website www.yourausieagent.com.